everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a special secret painting entrance. Not this is not this one. I'm going to show you how to make a way better version, a way more secret version. First, build your doorways because you want, but it has to be, it can be as wide as you want, as wide as you want, but it can only be 2 blocks tall, because, well, you're going to see right now. So place trapdoors like this, and it has to be like this, and then place your painting, like block it off so it just stays here, and then crouch and place your painting. And now, normally, they'll just try and jump in, but you can't do that. You have to crouch, and while you crouch, you jump, and then you just come out the other side. And then you crouch, jump back through, uncrouch, and jump back up the other side. Thanks for watching. Bye.